What's up everybody, it's Nenad and welcome back to my channel where I post videos about real estate and finance every single week. And today we're going over the top 5 side hustles that you can explore in order to make a few extra bucks here in 2021. I mean, who doesn't want to know how they can make some extra income, especially right now when so many people are out of work? And if you're passionate about any of these 5 side hustles, you can most definitely work on making these a full-time business opportunity. So let's get right into today's video. Side hustle number 1 on my list is to host online Airbnb experiences. If you haven't seen it yet, Airbnb allows people to explore other parts of the world exclusively through online experiences. And since a lot of people haven't been able to travel recently, they can still virtually explore other parts of the world. There are tours, lectures, tarot readings, and a bunch of other niche opportunities that you yourself can be the host of. If you love your culture or where you live and you want to share with other people, this can definitely be an opportunity for you to explore. You can become a host and charge people to learn about whatever it is that you want to share with them. For example, there was one person who did a tarot reading class and they made $11,000 in just 2 months. And another person did a pasta making class and made $20,000 in 1 month. So there's definitely a lot of money that can be made in this opportunity. So go to the platform, look what other people are doing and find your niche, and then go out and market it. People are out there searching for different activities, but you yourself need to be proactive and make sure that people are actually gonna pay you in order to try your experience. That goes to say for all of these side hustles, you still need to work on promoting your services. Don't expect people to pay you just because you posted on a website. You need to make sure you market yourself and tell them exactly why they should choose you over the competition. The second side hustle on my list is to offer transcription services. Anytime someone creates a video or a podcast and they want to have their spoken word transcribed into written form, they use a transcription service. So you'll listen to what the speakers are saying in the video or the podcast, and you'll type out exactly what you hear them saying. This is probably the easiest side hustle out of the 5, so if you're looking to do something and start quickly, this may be the one for you. It's super simple and you don't need a ton of equipment. All you need is a good pair of headphones and a laptop, and you can literally do this from the comfort of your bedroom. The only thing you'll need to do is set yourself up on a freelance platform like Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile for yourself. And a lot of people that offer transcription services start their services at $5. But if you bump up the time to, let's say, 30 minutes, you'll see that the rate jumps up. I've definitely seen a lot of people charge up to $60 an hour. So if you can do a couple of these a day, you can definitely make some extra cash without having any major startup costs. Also, if you know how to speak another language, you can definitely offer to transcribe in that language that you know, and this will give you a little bit of an edge over someone who only knows English. The third side hustle on my list is to create and sell digital products over the internet. Digital products are really great to focus on because more and more people are now beginning to shop over the internet. The best part is you don't have to worry about shipping, inventory, or a ton of other things that come with selling a physical product. Everything is available with a click of a button and it exists right on your hard drive. Most of the time, digital products are easier to sell. You don't have the overhead of a physical store. And another huge benefit is your customer base isn't designated to one specific area. You can sell your products all over the world. Most of the time when people think about digital products, they think about all of the courses they see being sold online. And it's true, you can definitely sell courses online, but there are a ton of other digital products that you can focus on selling as well. If you're into filmmaking, you can sell stock videos. If you're into music, you can sell music samples. If you're into photography, you can sell stock photos, and you can even create digital graphics. There are so many things that you can create and sell digitally, and the best part is that once the product is created, all you have to do is post it on a website and market it. You can also create membership classes on websites like Patreon, where you have a much more personal interaction with your customers. You can provide some sort of education to your clients a few times a week, and even create a discussion board where only people who pay for your membership have exclusive access to. Before we get into the next side hustle, I really want to thank you for watching. And if you're getting any kind of value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're feeling extra bold today, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know which of these side hustles you're willing to try. The fourth side hustle that I'm gonna tell you about, you probably haven't heard about, and that's rental arbitrage. This one is a little bit more advanced and probably takes more work than the others, but it's for all of my real estate lovers out there. Most of you know that getting started investing in real estate can be really expensive because you have to save up for a down payment. However, rental arbitrage completely eliminates this. Basically, what you do is you go out there and find a landlord who's willing to rent you their home on a long-term lease. Then what you do, obviously with permission from the landlord, is you re-rent that same exact house to short-term renters on websites like Airbnb and VRBO. So the goal is to make more money on short-term rentals than you owe your landlord for that monthly lease. For example, if you owe your landlord $2,000 a month, your goal is to find enough renters in order to make a profit. So anything over $2,000. So if you owe your landlord $2,000 and you make $2,500, you're up $500 for that month. This one is a little bit tricky, and you definitely want to make sure that you and the landlord are on the same page and that you have all of the legalities squared away. But rental arbitrage can definitely get you on the right track of real estate investing. So if that's something you're passionate about, go ahead and give this a try. The fifth and final side hustle on my list is to go out there and manage ads for small businesses. Digital marketing is here, and it's here to stay, especially now that a lot of businesses are moving and focusing solely online. All the small business owners that I know are so busy with their day-to-day tasks, they just don't have enough time to create a digital footprint for themselves and to market their businesses online. This is where you come in and offer your services. All you have to know are a few SEO strategies and how to work with different Facebook and Google ads. If you don't know how to do any of these, well, you're in luck, because all you have to do is go search on YouTube or do a couple of Google searches, and you'll definitely learn exactly how to do it. And once you get the hang of it, you can finally go out and look for some clients. Small businesses are more than happy to try and increase their revenue. And if they're not already doing online marketing, they feel like they're missing out, so you can definitely fill in that gap for them. If you start building your portfolio and you show these business owners exactly what kind of value you bring to them, you can definitely start building your business very quickly and turn this into a full-time opportunity. So there it is, guys. Those are my top 5 side hustles for 2021. And if you made it this far into the video, I want to tell you that you, the real MVP, and I'm sure I'll see you next time.